Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send crypto from Coinbase to someone in 2025. Whether you're sending Bitcoin to a friend or Ethereum to family, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. By 2025, Coinbase has rolled out even more user-friendly features, like enhanced biometric security and faster transaction speeds, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up. If you don't, download the app or head to the website and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to send. Coinbase supports a ton of options, from Bitcoin to newer altcoins, so pick the one from your wallet. Next, navigate to the Send or Transfer section. It's usually right on the main menu. Here, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this because in 2025, with rising crypto values, a wrong address could mean lost funds forever. Type in the address carefully, and if it's a contact you send to often, Coinbase's new autofill feature might help speed things up. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Remember, fees have gotten more transparent by 2025, so you'll see a breakdown right away: network fees, Coinbase charges, and all. Review everything on the confirmation screen. This is crucial for security. With the latest updates, you might even get a biometric scan or two-factor authentication prompt to verify it's really you. Hit send, and voila! Your transaction will process quickly, often in minutes thanks to improved blockchain tech. Keep an eye on your transaction history to track its status. And hey, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable all the protective features Coinbase offers. That's it for today's tutorial. Sending crypto is easier than ever in 2025, but if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.